Hi, my name is Tina Givens and I welcome you to my world of sewing. I design the unexpected in my garments that result in dramatic and extraordinary looks for your wardrobe. I've been making my own clothes for a long time and designed a simple process with easy techniques to get the results you want. Sewing is a self-nurturing pastime and hums along with your heartbeat. Inject your creativity into your own garments with easy workshops and my fun patterns. For a limited time, I offer you a free episode of our latest workshop, Spring Forward, with our shift dresses plus one free pattern, the Ruby dress, which is elegant and easy to make. So log in and subscribe for free this one-time episode and pattern. No strings attached. I just want to share my world with you. Enjoy your episode and hope to see you soon.